Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and I want to get this video out ASAP. I'm sure this has been wreaking havoc on many people's computers. You're being redirected, and you're getting this 24/7 tech help. It redirects to a website. It's called malwarerescue.com. I'm not going to display it, but I just want you to see this. This is fake, okay? You're not infected. It's 100% fake. Do not call this number. They will charge you $200 or more to infect your computer. They'll screw it up more than you can possibly think. And real quick, I just want to show you something that I'm going to close this out. I have the link to the actual site itself. And I want you to see, if you buy, just notice real quickly, I have Malwarebytes down here, premium. I actually bought it. And this is the actual website. It's, malwarerescue.com. It's 24/7 help. If I click on it, watch what happens. As you see, Malwarebytes blocks this because it's a fraud. Dude, it's a fraud website, malwarerescue.com. I strongly suggest if you don't have Malwarebytes premium installed on your machine, anyone can be susceptible to this type of attack. Doesn't even IT professionals. I'm telling you right now, it's something that you guys should definitely purchase. It works really well. This is a very, very common. I'll leave the image up. The phone number will be different depending on your location, but it is a huge, huge problem, folks. I want to get this out there as soon as possible to all my subscribers and possible viewers that the 24/7 help and malware rescue is fake. It's a fake email. Even if they leave a message on your answer machine, it's 100% fake. Hopefully this video will be searched and people will find it. Please do not call the number. Do not pay any money. Your computer is probably fine. I'm sure one of your friends' kids are probably a computer guru. Ask them to look through it. They will connect to your computer and screw it up. So if you do have that done, do not give them your credit card information because they're actually messing it up. They're not making it any better, just so you know, okay? So if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care. We'll see you next time.